Gusto mong mag-Canada pero hindi mo alam kung saan magsisimula. Pause muna. Sa video na ito, simple Taglish guide tayo. Paano maghanda, ano ang i-check at paano iwasan ang rushed decisions. Important reminder, hindi pare-pareho ang Canada Work Permit. Depende ito sa situation mo, employer, job offer at current official rules ng IRCC. Step 0. Official source muna. Gamitin ang IRCC Canada pages para maintindihan ang work permit basics, documents, at application instructions. Step 1. Alamin kung anong type ng work permit ang possible sa situation mo. May employer-specific work permits, may ibang categories at may rules na kailangang sundin. Kung may job offer ka, hindi sapat ang job title lang. Kailangan malinaw ang employer details, position, work location, at instructions na related sa application mo. May situations na may LMIA, may situations na exempt. Huwag manghula, i-check ang official instruction dahil malaking bagay ito sa application path mo. Step 2. Verify the job offer. Kung puro screenshot, messenger lang, at walang official details, mag-ingat. Dream country can also be used in scams. Kung recruitment from the Philippines ang usapan, i-check ang DMW. Agency, job order, at recruiter claims should be verified before paying or submitting sensitive documents. Step 3. Prepare documents. IRCC has forms and document guidance, pero requirements can depend on your situation. Kaya checklist muna, then verify the latest official page. Organize your files into folders. Personal documents, employment or job offer documents, financial or fee budget notes, and family documents if applicable. Start with passport and IDs. Basic ito, pero madalas dito nagsisimula ang delay. Check validity early so hindi ka naghahabol kapag may deadline na. Prepare employment records clearly. Resume, certificates, employment letters, and proof of experience if needed. Huwag mag-submit ng fake documents. Budget check. Hindi lang application fee ang gastos. May documents, possible medical, travel planning, waiting time, and emergency buffer. Common mistake, resigning too early. Huwag gumawa ng irreversible decision based only on promises. Wait for proper confirmation and official instructions. Step 4. Follow the official application instructions. Kung online application ang kailangan sa situation mo, gamitin ang official process and read each instruction carefully. Be careful with shortcut culture. Kapag may nagsabing guaranteed, mabilis, no interview, no documents, or bayad muna, slow down. Red flag, number 1. Guaranteed approval. Legit guidance can help you prepare, but no recruiter should promise final approval as if sure na sure. Red flag number 2. Pressure to pay now. Kung hindi malinaw kung para saan ang fee, kanino pupunta at may receipt ba, huwag magmadali. Red flag number 3. Screenshots only. A forwarded poster is not enough. Official details and verifiable sources matter more than viral posts. Protect your documents. Passport copies, IDs, and personal information should not be sent casually to strangers or unverified accounts. Before leaving, talk to your family. Magkano ang fixed remittance? Ano ang emergency? Sino ang hahawak ng pera? The money plan starts before the flight. Keep a first month buffer abroad. Hindi selfish ang magtira. You need food, transport, communication, documents, and emergency money. Create an evidence folder. Save official source links, job offer details, receipts, emails, and important documents. Organization protects you. Ask better questions. Hindi lang, pwede ba ito? Ask, official source saan, agency license saan, job order saan, employer details saan. Migration rules can change. Kaya sa bawat video, every viewer should verify the current official page before making a decision. Simple roadmap. 1. Official source. 2. Permit type. 3. Job offer verification. 4. Documents. 5. Proper application and safety checks. To help you organize, use the free OFW pre-departure checklist. It will not guarantee approval, but it can help you avoid rushed and messy decisions. The Canada dream is possible for many, but it should be handled with calm steps. Verify first, prepare properly, protect your money, and move smart.